welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we are going to make a super cool paper aeroplane. We've named this one F35, but you can name yours whatever you like. We have chosen a brown piece of paper. You can choose black or grey or blue or purple, any colour you can think of to be your aeroplane. And we're going to start off by folding a very large triangle onto our paper like this. You see what we did there? And then we're going to do the same again on the other side, like this. Make sure you smooth down those creases. They're very important. Then we turn the paper onto its side and fold the paper in half, like so. Then we're going to spin that paper around again and going to fold over the paper again from the top to the middle and smooth down those creases, just like this. Use those creases to fold our paper down into a triangle shape again, like so. Pause and rewind if you need to see how we did that again. And now we're going to fold into one of our flaps another little triangle, like so. Can you see that? I'm going to do the same on the other side, like this. Fold it over, or flip it over and fold over the bottom like this. And then fold it again like so. It looks kind of like a kite, doesn't it? So now we're going to fold this section into a triangle like this. Smooth down those edges. And we're going to do the same again on the other side. Smooth down those edges. Look at that. Very good. Now we're going to take one of those flaps and we're going to fold out triangle to the side like this. Did you see what we did there? And we're going to do the same again on the other side. So we're going to fold out a little bit there. Look at that, it looks like a plane already. And now we're going to do that again, like so, but a little bit bigger this time. I'm going to fold out our flap, smooth down the edges. Do the same on the other side. Smooth down those edges. going to flip it over to the back and fold over this corner like so, and then fold it over again like so. And we're going to tuck it in just there. And I'm going to do the same again on the other side. So we're going to fold over here, fold back over like so, and then tuck it in just under here like that. Fabulous. And then we're gonna fold here like so. Do the same again on the other side, like here. And then fold in again over like so, and then a little bit more just there. Bit just there, and same again on the other side. Don't forget, you can always pause and rewind and rewatch as many times as you need to get the folding just right. We're going to fold like so. Let's move those edges down. Do the same again on the other side by flipping it over. Try and get the sides to match up. Smooth it all down like so. I'm going to pinch it here at the front like this. Give it some proper aeroplane shape. Now we're going to take our marker pens and we're going to decorate our super cool aeroplane. So we're painting the nose of the plane, giving it some windows. Of course, you can decorate your plane any way you see fit. You can make it look as realistic or as fantastical as you would like. We are trying very hard with as much detail as possible to make it look very realistic for you. And if you would like to give that a go too, we look forward to seeing your submissions. And if you want to make us any brightly coloured magical planes, we'd also love to see those. Got lots of lines to draw on our plane to give it that sort of long, slimline look that planes love. So try to keep a very steady hand when drawing those. We've got some nice silver pen to draw in some very fine details. You don't have to use silver, you can use something equally as shiny, bronze, gold, or if you've got any other really shiny pens that you can use to give it that little bit of pop. I really like aeroplanes, but I don't know the names of any aeroplanes. Do you? How many aeroplanes can you name? And look at that, we've got our very own super cool paper aeroplane, fully decorated. It looks amazing. Well, I look forward to seeing your submissions and seeing if any of your paper aeroplanes can fly. See you next time. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Hazel, and Hazel has drawn a picture of a birthday cake. That looks so scrumptious. Well done, Hazel. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!